Good morning from the National Weather Service office in Lake Charles. I'm meteorologist Donald Jones, and this is your weather briefing for the morning of Monday, August 29th, with the latest on Tropical Depression 9. Let's start by taking a look at the visible satellite on Tropical Depression 9. And actually, we're still looking at infrared imagery this morning because the sun has yet to come up. But regardless, you can still see a rather large area of convection on the southern end of the storm, and it really hasn't intensified much at all overnight. Hurricane Hunter aircraft were out in the storm this morning and were having trouble locating a center. In fact, they found several different centers, which at least for the time being will take an average of for the exact location. Here's the latest information regarding Tropical Depression 9. This morning it was located at latitude 23.5 north, longitude 83.9 west. Maximum sustained winds remain near 35 miles per hour, and it continues to the west at about 9 miles per hour, but that's a bit uncertain considering there's been trouble this morning locating the center. Now yesterday, Tropical Depression 9 was forecast to become a tropical storm today, but with little change in intensity, it may be a bit longer now before it reaches tropical storm status. The National Hurricane Center is officially bringing it to tropical storm status sometime late tonight, possibly early tomorrow morning. And remember, to have tropical storm force winds, you have to have winds of at least 39 miles per hour or greater. Taking a look at the radar out of Key West this morning, Tropical Depression 9 is starting to get a little far away for radar to see the center of circulation, but you can still see the showers and thunderstorms wrapping around. We'll most likely lose this look by this afternoon. Nothing's really changed overnight with regards to the track philosophy. We're still anticipating that the area of high pressure currently centered over the southeastern United States that's been driving Tropical Depression 9 westward over the last couple of days will break down in about a day or two, and a cold front swinging south out of Canada will pick up Tropical Depression L, or potentially a tropical storm by that point, and swing it into the Big Bend region of Florida, and then beyond that, moving it up the east coast of the U.S. So at this point, if this current track verifies, we'll feel absolutely no impacts from Tropical Depression 9 or whatever it becomes. Taking a look back across our area this morning, we do have continued showers and thunderstorms offshore this morning, and this is associated with that tropical disturbance that's been lingering over our area for the last couple of days. We do expect these showers and thunderstorms to move inland as we go through the day, and we probably will see some additional development over land as well. So we're going to have to deal with at least one more day of wet weather. Here's a look at the forecast rainfall totals for today, and generally most of the rainfall is going to occur along and south of the I-10 corridor, where areas could pick up anywhere from 3/4 to an inch of rainfall, with locally higher amounts up to 2 inches possible. Further north, generally less than a half an inch of rain expected, and the thunderstorms should be more scattered. The good news is it looks like this is the last day we're going to be dealing with really wet weather. Rain chances decrease for the rest of the week and into the weekend, but also with the departing of the rain, we're going to be looking at a fairly decent increase in temperatures, with afternoon highs getting back into the low to mid-90s by the middle of the week through the weekend. So to summarize, Tropical Depression 9 has moved into the southeastern Gulf, but has not intensified any overnight. It's forecast to make landfall along the Big Bend area of Florida Thursday night as a tropical storm, but poses no threat to our area. Locally, we could see a half to 1 inch of rain along and south of the I-10 corridor today, but drier conditions are expected for the rest of the week. We do advise you to continue to stay up to date with the latest on Tropical Depression 9, as the situation could always change. Our next briefing will be later on this morning. The National Hurricane Center puts out its official forecast at 10 a.m., and we'll have an update shortly thereafter. It's the start of another beautiful week, and we hope everyone has a great Monday.